everything changes.
Hello, I'm Colin Kirkpatrick, Chief Product Engineer. Welcome today to Land Rover's Design Studio here in Gaydon. We're really excited to be able to introduce the newly updated Range Rover Velar. Velar, as you know, was launched about 3 years ago now. For us, it represents the perfect marriage of precision engineering, design and technology. And that doesn't happen without an integrated and dedicated team working really closely together. And we've worked on the latest Velar in exactly the same way. Over the next 30 minutes, you'll hear from our engineering teams about new powertrains and new cabin technologies that bring even more efficiency, refinement, agility and modernity to Velar. But first, the design story. One of the team responsible for this incredible vehicle is Andy Wheel, Chief Designer for Land Rover Exteriors. And he's with me here now. Andy, Range Rover Velar is a really important part of the Range Rover family. But how did it start?
Well, the story of Velar really began when we realised that we believed that there was a group of customers out there who wanted something which had the Range Rover badge, that Range Rover DNA. They wanted something which was really distinct, really different, and that's something which is really important to us. Every single member of the Range Rover family has its own unique identity. So we took our 4 key elements that are our inherent design strategy in terms of modernity, relevance, sustainability, and more than anything, desirability, and applied that ethos to the Range Rover DNA of short front overhang, floating roof, long rear overhang, kind of understated elegance, and set about creating something which enhanced those proportions, a much lower roofline, an elongated, exaggerated wheelbase, much larger wheels, and a real kind of reductive approach, taking lines away where they were not absolutely necessary to create something which is absolutely unique, stand out, elevating the Range Rover DNA to a new level never seen before. And of course, this was validated. We were so proud to be awarded the 2018 World Car Design of the Year award for Velar.
Velar's exterior was a real challenge for body engineering, as I remember. But removing the lines has a real purpose to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. This decluttering of the design was absolutely fundamental. We really wanted to elevate Range Rover DNA in a way that had never been seen before. This really pure expression of the elegance of what Range Rover stands for. And so that meant we had to sort of just keep certain key features on there, eliminate everything else. Now this is really a reductive approach. We call it reductivism, and it is there as a way of us really examining whether we have purified the design in the right way. This is not about simplification at all. This is about really complex surfaces around the vehicle to create this kind of hewn from solid feel, and it's really there to enhance this feeling of modernity. Now, modernity is all about doing things in a way which relies on proportion as the fundamental building block. When you get the proportion right and you are restrained in your application of details and you make those details beautiful, then you give yourself a vehicle which has the best chance of lasting the test of time, and that is the true definition of modernity.
The flush door handles are one of my favourite features on this car.
Yeah, the flush door handle is fundamental in achieving that real modernist exterior with clean, simple detailing, only beautiful detailing where required. And of course the flush door handles, they add that bit of theatre as well as those door handles move in as you drive away. All that part of that sort of technology story which underpins the Velar as well. And it was a really good example of design enabling technologies, as we call it, where we work across the disciplines to deliver something which is then going to give something innovative, new, desirable to the customer. Another example of that is the headlamps, the amount of work that went into packaging all of that technology into such a slim package that wraps around the front of the car. That was a real hard piece of work that by working across the disciplines, working together, we achieved something really special.
That really was technology enabling design vision, and this use of technology, I think, really carries through into the interior. What did you really want to achieve there?
Yeah, the aim with the interior for Velar was to create this tranquil sanctuary. Now, although I work in exterior design, we obviously work hand in hand with the interior team so that we create a consistent piece of design to offer to the customer. Now, the interior had to have that unmistakable Range Rover DNA, which is all about the full-width cross-car beam, the supportive centre console, and these clean, uncluttered surfaces. Now, that really means using technology to reduce the switch count throughout the car. And as I say, that all comes together along with the uncluttered surfaces, beautiful detailing, seating position, everything comes together to create this tranquil sanctuary. And as with the exterior, it was all about those uncluttered surfaces on the interior as well, which, as I know, was a challenge for everybody involved.
But we really met it with some innovative technology, and now we're moving the game on again even further. We have new technology and new user interfaces. And as we're here in the design studio, let's have a look in more detail at the changes with this latest Velar. To do that, I'm going to hand you over now to colour and material specialist Hannah Custins.
Hi everyone. Colour and material design is all about what you can see, feel and experience. At Land Rover Design, we deliver materials that are not only aesthetically but functionally relevant for our consumers and for our vehicles. Having worked in the Land Rover Design team for the last few years, the Range Rover Velar has become the benchmark for our colour and materials, execution and strategy. Looking to deliver new concepts of premium materials and always offering our customers a conscious choice. Velar is all about design simplicity, attention to detail and tactility. The original Velar is the first time that we positioned a premium textile at the same level as leather for an interior application, looking to redefine what was considered a luxury material within the automotive industry. Land Rover's first premium material is made using 30% wool, it's woven in England, and it's produced using recycled water. Exhibiting all the natural characteristics of a wool, it's hard wearing and comfortable in all climates, staying warm when it's cold and cool when it's hot. Our collaboration with Kvadrak could not be more appropriate. Both brands share a desire and an ethos to push innovation and to continue to define the future of luxury within our respective industries. This is the R Dynamic specification. It features our signature flush deployable door handles and super slim matrix LED headlights. For this model year, we're introducing 3 new exterior body colours: Portofino Blue and Haikuba Silver, which are a new refresh on some of our more popular body colours, and Lantau Bronze, which is exclusive to the Range Rover Velar Edition. Lantau Bronze is a neutral and warm metallic. It has a warm highlight and a smoky travel. It uses ultra-thin milled aluminium, and that gives it a really beautiful metallic effect. The Range Rover Velar Edition also comes with a contrast black roof, gloss black exterior detailing and gloss black wheels, alongside a panoramic roof and privacy glass as standard. As well as our premium material, we also have the cut diamond graphic, which proliferates throughout the vehicle. It's used on the perforation on the seats and on our technical grains and speaker meshes. We're also using our suede cloth material, which is lightweight and durable and made from recycled bottles. How we integrate technology to reflect modernity and desirability is also key to Velar. Moving your hand between the soft touch natural materials and the 2 flush glass touchscreens creates that immersive interior experience. We take inspiration from analogous industries such as interior design, fashion and consumer electronics, and these continue to influence our approach to interior design and materials. Within the latest Velar, there are new, sharper, higher resolution displays with all new graphics, powered by our new Pivi infotainment system. And the new steering wheel design with integrated smart buttons and the tactile drive selector are entirely fitting within the Velar interior. And now it's time to take you through what's under the skin of the Velar, starting with this new technology. And here to tell you more is my colleague, Matthew Waller.
Hello. At the core of our technology story today is the the latest step in the rollout of our next generation infotainment system, Pivi Pro. Some of you may recognise the system from the all-new Land Rover Defender. It now makes its debut on the Range Rover Velar. The new Pivi infotainment system is offered on all new vehicles, with the enhanced Pivi Pro system offered as standard on most specifications, so every customer will benefit from the improved technology. And as you've heard from my design colleagues, it now has an even better graphical user interface, delivered via the Range Rover Velar's beautiful 10-inch glass display screens. Pivi Pro is smarter, faster, always connected, and future-proof thanks to software over-the-air updates. All of this is enabled by the introduction of our new electrical architecture. So, first of all, let me give you a quick reminder of Pivi Pro. It's inspired by the latest mobile devices. When developing this system, we were obsessed with how to make things simpler, reducing menu steps to minimize distraction. We researched intuitive pinch, swipe, and tap functionality. Our objective was reducing steps to features by 50%. The new, customizable, and powerful home screen is a huge part of this. It's designed with a flat menu structure and simple user journeys. We've optimized the home screen design around three things: navigation, phone, and media. Most commonly accessed features are right in front of you, and 90% are within 2 taps from the home screen. Pivi Pro is augmented with a fully configurable 12.3-inch virtual instrument cluster and a full-colour heads-up display. You can customize these displays with layouts of your choice, so you can prioritize the information you want to see, including directions and nearby charging or fuel stations. It's another way we're reducing the load on the driver. Pivi Pro is ready to go as soon as you are. With a dedicated power source, your navigation is ready in the time it takes you to go from opening the door to sitting in the driver's seat. Pivi Pro has the latest dual SIM technology. 2 embedded modems enable the system to carry out multiple data functions at the same time, such as streaming media and downloading software updates. And it comes with a complimentary 4G data plan for all of your apps and streaming. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Baidu Live as standard, and embedded apps such as Spotify. Keeping digital devices hooked up is easier thanks to 50-watt wireless device charging with Signal Booster. You simply place your smartphone on the charging pad to quickly recharge. There's also an external antenna to improve the smartphone signal when being used inside the car. You can Bluetooth up to 2 phones at the same time, so you never have to worry about switching profiles. And you can get online with up to 8 of your devices using the vehicle's 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Being ready is also about being up to date. You'll always be able to access the latest version of Pivi Pro thanks to software over-the-air updates. We create a digital twin of your vehicle in the cloud to know when updates are available to you. You can then schedule updates at a time that is convenient to you, delivered for free. But Pivi Pro is more than infotainment. It's also your central interface for all driver assistance features. For example, the 3D surround camera system shows on the central touchscreen a 360-degree view around the vehicle for parking and low-speed maneuvering. This fuses together images from 4 onboard cameras to provide a seamless, real-time view which you can pan around to spot any hazards. And that 3D surround camera now also comes with clear sight ground view on the Velar. That shows you even underneath the front of the vehicle, giving you greater visibility and confidence than ever before. Customers have told us in particular they love this feature because it encourages them to explore Velar's immense capability off-road. On a journey, your navigation learns your routine and regular routes to refine its suggestions. It's smart enough that the voice guidance knows to keep quiet when you're travelling on roads you drive regularly, and it displays a traffic summary and ETA for your most likely destination, without you having to set one. When you're travelling for work, Pivi Pro can support you to work from the car. It can read your Google and Microsoft Outlook calendar to show your work diary or connect you to conference calls, hands-free of course. Pivi Pro also learns your personal preferences over time. It will automatically activate the heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, or suggest your favourite media sources based on what you usually select. Everything is designed to be smart and non-intrusive. It shows you where public charging stations are, if they're available, and what they cost to use. It will also display your charge status, and it enables you to choose your optimal driving mode: hybrid mode, EV mode, and save mode. The reason we can do all this with Pivi Pro is our latest generation electrical vehicle architecture. We've moved rapidly throughout the past decade from a world of mechanical engineering to software and data management. The big change with our new electrical architecture is to centralize computing in the vehicle to 3 domain controllers, including a dedicated infotainment controller. That makes for faster and more efficient data management. In fact, it doubles the data processing capacity of our vehicles. This architecture also enables us to introduce new cabin technologies. Some of our customers will be already familiar with the cabin air ionization feature. This system uses nanotechnology to improve air quality inside the vehicle. A new system, cabin air filtration, is now offered on the Range Rover Velar, filtering ultra-fine particles below the PM2.5 level. It will even filter out allergens and strong smells to improve occupant health and well-being. That means less worry about the quality of the air inside the cabin. The other cabin technology I wanted to highlight is active road noise cancellation. The Range Rover Velar is designed to be a calm, quiet and serene space, and the addition of this new technology will ensure it is even more refined inside. It works like high-end headphones. It transmits low-frequency sounds through the audio system to cancel unwanted road noise. This helps to lessen driver fatigue and allow you to always arrive feeling refreshed. Our new electrical architecture's capability also makes your key fob even smarter. With smart settings, your car learns your preferred steering wheel and seat position, climate preferences or media choice, and it will adjust them automatically as you get in. Finally, you will be familiar with our activity key. This wearable, waterproof and shockproof band allows you to unlock or unlock the vehicle from your wrist. Our second generation key is now available. This allows you to leave the house without your key fob at all. Smarter and more convenient. The updated Velar is as versatile as it is elegant. The beautiful simplicity of the interior, supported by the seamless integration of powerful technologies.
So, that's the design and technology of the latest Velar. But the other key part is the introduction of new powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid. Here's powertrain lead Craig Hargreaves to tell you more.
Hello. Range Rover Velar is now electrified, with a new range of mild plug-in hybrid models offering improved efficiency across the board. In the 50th anniversary year of Range Rover, every model in the family is now available as a mild plug-in hybrid, a great step towards our Destination Zero philosophy. Today, we will discuss the exciting new engine additions for the Velar. From a more efficient 4-cylinder diesel to the new inline 6-cylinder petrol and diesel Ingenium engines, which bring new levels of refined performance to the Range Rover Velar. I'm going to spend the next few minutes taking you through these updates in full. A plug-in hybrid option comes to Range Rover Velar for the first time. We were one of the first manufacturers to introduce a PHEV system on a large SUV 2018 on Range Rover. This system builds on that experience, offering fantastic customer benefits without compromising on capability. Our PHEV features a powerful, compact electric motor integrated into the 8-speed transmission. This is combined with 2-litre 4-cylinder Ingenium petrol, providing a combined output of 404 PS and 640 Nm of torque. A 17.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, enabling an impressive EV-owning range, and our latest onboard charger, capable of 7 kilowatts AC and 32 kilowatts DC charging. Of course, it also delivers all the refinement and efficiency you'd expect from an electrified Range Rover. From our original plug-in hybrid Range Rover, we learned a lot in battery management and chemistry. It also assisted us in understanding efficient packaging of the system elements, and doing so to maintain the unique combination of capability and refinement that a Range Rover requires. The core of Velar's hybrid system is contained underneath the vehicle, with the battery located under the boot floor. We've managed to do this without compromising Velar's class-leading composure and control in any weather and on any surface. Approach, departure angles and ride height are unaffected. The immediate torque provides a smooth and refined on-road drive, and the lightweight aluminium architecture has also allowed us to exploit the 140 PS e-motor for immediate and precise control of the vehicle. And this helps when you leave the tarmac. Light and inherently smooth running, the electric motor provides a more finely calibrated torque response to small throttle inputs. This gives you even greater confidence and control when negotiating obstacles or rough terrain. And, if you need to, the plug-in hybrid Velar will still wade in water up to 580mm deep. Our new PHEV has 3 driver selectable modes seamlessly integrated. The default is hybrid mode, combining petrol and electric drive for a dynamic and refined driving experience. This automatically and seamlessly combines the electric motor and petrol engine. And the management software adapts to the driving conditions and the remaining charge in the battery. Then there is a pure EV mode, giving you quiet, zero tailpipe emissions driving. And finally, there is save mode. This prioritises the combustion engine, saving the battery for use at a specific point in your journey. For example, when entering the ultra-low emission zone. Save mode can also use the electric motor as a generator to top up the battery, allowing more electric driving all of the time. Another key focus of our development for this latest generation of PHEV was to make it as intuitive as possible and completely integrated for the driver. Switching between modes happens in the blink of an eye. Confirmation of your choice is shown in the virtual instrument cluster and Heavy Pro infotainment screen. You can see your battery charge status and range. And we've also made sure that Heavy Pro's smart navigation can help you plot the most efficient route. Entering a destination enables the predictive energy optimization software. This intelligently combines route and GPS location data to find you the most efficient journey and driving mode combination. This is my favourite feature. It automatically ensures you arrive at your destination with a minimum of 6 kilometres EV range, allowing you a silent arrival with zero emissions city driving. Out of the car, owning a PHEV is also made easy. We've understood how people like to interact with their EV, and we've added a scheduled charging function through the Heavy Pro infotainment screen. You can also check charge status and preheat or cool your vehicle remotely using the InControl remote app. A full charge at home will take you less than 3 hours using a 7 kilowatt domestic wall box. And the additional capability built into our charging module allows you to fast charge to 80% in 30 minutes using a 32 kilowatt DC charger. The other big development for Velar is the introduction of our latest inline 6-cylinder Ingenium diesel and petrol engines, replacing our V6 engines. Available with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, these deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. All of our i6 engines are designed, engineered and manufactured in-house in the UK. Our new i6 petrol is called P400. It's 13 kilograms lighter than the outgoing V6 supercharged petrol. It comes with a host of technologies, including an electric supercharger, a twin-scroll turbocharger, continuously variable valve lift, and variable cam timing. It also comes electrified. It's a 48-volt mild hybrid. We've ensured this engine delivers on the effortless performance you expect from a Range Rover. The twin-scroll turbo better manages air intake and exhaust for more immediate acceleration. This works together with variable valve lift, allowing us to develop better transient response, which you'll notice particularly at low speeds. We've also added an e-supercharger, using electrification to drive performance. The e-supercharger uses power from the 48-volt system to drive the compressor, providing instant boost and response on rest. The Range Rover Velar's light, stiff, aluminium-intensive body structure offers great performance and efficiency. With air suspension as standard and all-new 6-cylinder models, unrivaled comfort and control. Diesel engines also remain important to our customers. Using the latest in engine management and emissions control technology, our diesel engines meet the most stringent emissions legislation in the world. And they offer excellent fuel economy, together with outstanding torque and low engine speeds. Our new i6 diesel is called D300. With 300 PS and 650 Newton meters, the D300 delivers effortless performance. It's also lighter, leaner, cleaner, and more refined than our previous V6 diesel, especially in 48-volt mild hybrid form, available in selected markets. Technologies include a new high-pressure column rail pitot fuel injection system, which operates at up to 2,500 bar. It's capable of 5 injections per cycle, delivering as little as 0.8 milligrams of fuel in just 120 microseconds. Together with a twin-turbo sequential boost system, this makes D300 our most sophisticated engine yet. But what you will notice is it's quiet, smooth and responsive throughout its entire operating range. The new after-treatment system uses the latest technologies for even lower NOx emissions. D300 is EU6D and RDE2 compliant, achieving a 52% reduction in real-world NOx emissions. We have also simplified our 4-cylinder offering. The next generation 2-litre 4-cylinder Ingenium diesel engine, D200, now replaces the previous D180 and D240 options, offering customers excellent fuel economy balanced with strong performance and keen responses. This engine offers 204 PS of power and is also available with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, improving efficiency over the outgoing engines. This engine is lighter and benefits from our latest combustion technologies, meaning improved efficiency and refinement. It features variable geometry turbocharging and advanced pitot fuel injectors, precise fuel metering and smooth, quiet running. Of course, also key to the Velar's comfort, refinement and performance, no matter which powertrain, is the vehicle's driving dynamics. The sophisticated double wishbone front suspension and integral link rear axle deliver exceptional handling precision, ride comfort and refinement. The suspension systems also offer outstanding wheel articulation and ensure that the Velar can outperform the competition no matter what the terrain. And these figures remain the same on plug-in hybrid models. Velar is available with coil springs as standard on 4-cylinder models, including the plug-in hybrid, offering a ground clearance of 213mm. 4-corner air suspension is an option on the 4-cylinder 204 PS diesel and standard on all 6-cylinder models. This system delivers truly outstanding comfort and significantly increased off-road capability. There's also the option of adaptive dynamics, our smart damping technology that monitors inputs up to 500 times a second for consistent control and composure. And through the Pivi Pro system, you can access the optional configurable dynamics, which allows you to set your own preferences for throttle mapping, gear shift points, steering effort and suspension. So whatever engine you choose, you can be assured of signature Range Rover levels of comfort, refinement and performance. Here you can see the full range of engine options for Range Rover Velar. With these powertrain options, we've significantly expanded choice for customers. There's an engine to meet all requirements. With electric refinement, increased driver engagement and responsive, efficient performance, we believe this new engine range is our best yet. Thank you for your time.
So, the latest Velar has an updated interior and the very latest technology, restating its modern luxury leadership. It's faster, smarter and always connected, and it's always up to date. It's now more efficient and refined, with brand new engines, including a plug-in hybrid option.